So then comes 2009, ERP.
Yes.
What is that story of ERP when you were actually implementing the ERP and heading the finance cadre at that time?
This very challenging task was given to me by the then director of finance. You know that people don't want to come out of their comfort level. And they always resist when some new things were implemented or were brought in.
So you were handpicked by somebody.
I started with my team. There was lot of resistance. Initially, we implemented payroll and then the accounting at the head office. By the time the company got into the process of the listing, the orders come from the ministry that you do the due diligence and complete the process for that listing. So then Director Finance knew that accounting is to be done on all over India level. Only head office level was not sufficient. So then I visited all the zones all over India along with the consultant and trained all the respective officials in the finance cadre about its implementation. You know, the development part was not that difficult. Rather, the implementation is really, really very, very difficult. After coming back from the zones, it was the financial year 11 and 12. We all thought that now we are successful in the preparation of the balance sheet through this system. We called the staff, respective staff from all over India to the head office, and we all sat together and tried to complete it. But somehow I did not get cooperation from some corners. That year was over. But now what about the next year? But unfortunately, on 18th of April 2012, the then Director of Finance also left after the completion of his tenure. So then I thought it's better to brief it to the top management, that means the CMD. So I took the appointment from the chairman and briefed him about the status, and I also briefed him about the regulations of the SEBI, that the accounts are to be prepared within the 45 days after the completion of the quarter. So he understood and he then passed on the directions to each and every one concerned, and then I succeeded. But in the year 11 and 12, when I did not get cooperation from some corners, I was very, very determined to not to give up. Every great victory once was a matter of doubt. The success never comes from the comfort.
Yes.
You will have to go through the difficult times also. The moment you think not to quit, that is the moment you win.
Just after that, you told that the HSCL acquisition came.
Yes.
And then CCI regulatory approval, which I think you handled alone. So
Yes.
would you like to say something on that?
The company again gave me this most challenging task of acquisition of Hindustan Steelworks Construction Limited in the year 2017, and for which the Competition Commission of India approvals were required. I visited Kolkata for due diligence and for doing the analysis and for making the appraisals and the board agendas number of times. It was really very hectic. I never looked back.
In public sectors, I have generally seen that whenever these kind of tasks are there, we will get external consultants.
Yeah.
And that they will do the work and we only supervise, guide and tell them.
Yes.
So in this case, you mentioned that no external consultant was taken. Means, how was it and how did you handle the whole thing? And were you satisfied with the CCI's remarks and all that?
Yes, at that time again, the then Director of Finance challenged me. He said, no, it's okay, it was not difficult. You can do it. I said, okay, sir. Then again, I had to do lot of research on that also, because there were formats, there was a lot of information which is required by the CCI also. CCI का main उसमें focus रहता है ना कि आप जो है वो मोनोपोली नहीं होनी चाहिए अगर आप एक्वायर कर रहे हो किसी कंपनी को, तो उसके लिए हमें डाटा भी तैयार करना पड़ता है. तो फिर मेरे को एक छोटी सी टीम दी गई थी, उस टीम के साथ लगकर हमने ये पूरा काम पूरा किया और हमने सबमिशंस किए CCI में, एंड CCI पीपल वर ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड दे रादर प्रेज्ड कि yes, you did it in house. But yes, for the second time, the company hired the external consultant where we acquired the HSCC.
Okay, okay, okay.